So after I put up the first lesson, I had quite a few people contact me through social media saying I kind of glossed over the fact that with beginners we teach them how to hold the sticks. So here is a quick lesson. Here are mine. I use Pelwood and these are 5Bs. For beginners up to the age of about 11 or 12, we generally recommend that they use 7A. When they get older, and again depending on the style of music, they can go up to 5As. So this is how I hold the sticks. It's basically between the thumb and the second finger which hold it. The first finger wraps around it like that and the others just behind. Now I use fingers quite a lot. Everyone thinks it's all in the arms. It's not the arms, it's definitely the wrist and the fingers. So when I'm hitting the drum, the fingers are normally putting it back into place. Doing a double stroke, the fingers will get out of the way because the stick obviously hits the actual drum and bounces back up. And then the fingers close again. But for beginners, as long as they're not gripping the sticks like that, then we carry on. Nice and loose. And again, I tell them it's all in the wrist, it's not arm movement. You don't want to see none of this going on, it's all that. You can do that later on, all for show, when you're playing great big stadiums. The other thing I tell everybody is that always keep the sticks in a V position. That way you should hit the drum all the time in the middle. And it keeps everything precise. You can see exactly where you're going. If your arm's all over the place, you're going to hit the sticks, you're going to hit the rims, you're going to miss the centre of the drum.